What's going on, guys? Decelation, Brian.
What's up, peeps?
And today, a little different. We got Vader right here. Brian, we got a few things to do to Vader, don't we?
We do. We have to make life easier for Masha to get in.
Yeah, we gotta do that. So, I got some side steps right here. Yeah, these are nice. And all the brackets and hardware is over there. Got a hard rolling cover that we're gonna put on as well. And I got this swing case. I'm gonna try this out. This kind of box for the bed. I've never had one before, but I've heard pretty good things from a couple people that have had them. So we're gonna give that one a whirl. So, easy day today, Brian?
It's not sanding.
He's right, it's not sanding. So we're gonna work on this for now because we don't feel like sanding, because that, and more so, yeah, it's just not sanding. That's literally what we're gonna do. So, all right, stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. Brian.
Beeps.
So, we did some things.
We did, and we didn't have to cut anything up or drill extra holes or
Yeah.
sand. Sand with you.
Yeah.
It's a good day.
Good day. So we're gonna start the beginning to the end, I guess. All right. So this is the backflip revolver X4. I'm gonna have the link to everything in the description as well, so you guys can, if you want to order it for yourself. But I love how like low profile and clean this. It's like, what do you call that? 2-3 millimeters above the actual top of the bed. Like, man, I like that. And then my little storage case comes out, opens up. Might have to pop that open a little bit to open it fully, but got my diesel fuel additives, figure out some other stuff to put in here. But it closes and it locks, and it has a lock right here so you can't pop it off either. So you can unlock this, you have to unlock this to pop it off. But yeah, nice little storage off the side. Looks good. And then I got my side steps, and they're, Brian, on a scale 1 to, did you press the top button or the bottom one?
Top one.
Yeah, you have to press the bottom one first. Yeah.
I'm just playing good.
Oh yeah. Brian's just playing with the truck. And the side steps, they're actually fairly simple to install. We made a mistake on this one. We had the front mount, the middle mount moved too far back, and it wasn't really sturdy up here when you stepped in. So we just moved it a little bit forward, and that worked. But very stable. Rocked the whole truck. I'm pretty happy. But yeah, this is kind of a short video. Just us doing some simple modifications to the truck, make it comfortable for me and better suited for my uses. Yeah. Got anything for the people, Brian?
Well, by better suited for uses, it means make it easier for Masha to get in.
Well, that was for the side steps. Make it easier for Masha to get in. Ain't that right, Masha?
What?
The side steps are make it easier for you to get in the truck.
And heels.
Yes, exactly. And heels. See? But yeah, thank you guys for watching these videos. I do appreciate you guys watching and liking, commenting, and subscribing. We are growing still. And yeah, have a good one. Peace.
Take it easy, peeps.